All right, so we got a can of flaky biscuits here for our dessert today. So I'm gonna make 6 different biscuits. So these are gonna go back into layers. I know y'all are like, but they were already together. We're doing something here today. Y'all gotta trust me. So I got some strawberry preserves, and we're just gonna top these off here. I'm gonna make 6 biscuits. So these are our base layers right here. So have y'all been to Popeyes lately and had those strawberry biscuits? It's kind of like what we're doing here today. Uh-oh, got a runaway biscuit. There we go. And I'm doing this the lazy way. You can definitely do it the old school way and make your own biscuits. But we're all about getting it done efficiently around here. For these, you got to have your oven up pretty high. So you want to make sure you preheat it. But before we do that, we are going to put these back in the freezer after I get done layering all of these. Oh, this is going to be so delicious. Get that spread out. And you can use whatever flavor preserve that you like if you would prefer something else, but this is my preference. Strawberry, because strawberry is the best. And I only got 4 left, so we're only gonna do 4 more because we had 8 biscuits originally. Just gonna do a nice light. Last layer. Alright, so apparently a key component to this is putting them in the freezer to let those preserves set. So we're going to put this in the freezer for about 10 minutes or so. Let it get nice and set. So I have my pan here. We're just going to plop these on so we can put them in the freezer. And then once they come out the freezer, we can go ahead and butter our dough and then put it in the oven at 425. We'll see you guys when we get done. All right, now we're gonna make our sauce for the top of our strawberry biscuit. So we got our powdered sugar. And this is about a 1/2 cup. Oh, we're making it snow over here. And then we're just gonna do a dab of milk. Doesn't have to be a lot because we want our sauce nice and thick. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. And that was super simple. This is for once your biscuits are done. You just drizzle this sauce right over the top. I will show you guys when our biscuits are done. All right, guys, look at our strawberry biscuits. Ooh, these are gonna be so delicious. So y'all remember that sauce that we made? We're just gonna give this a drizzle. Now look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. Now we gonna bust one of these bad boys open. I'm so excited. Mmm. 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 I did that, y'all. This is so good. Baking it in there. You know, usually you add your strawberry jam at the end, but baking it in there, complete game changer. This is so good. And it was so easy to do. You gotta try this.